Mount Vernon Middle School, this is Mr. Williams with another STEM construction update. That's right, it's the summertime of 2020, and yes, we are undergoing a construction project here at Mount Vernon Middle School. I'm here in the main gym. This summer, we have painted the main gym a nice clean white, and about 2 falls ago, we redid our hardwood floor here in the main gym. This floor is about 40 years old, and it's looking great. Coming up this year, that's right, we're going to renovate our band room, our choir room, and also we're going to build a brand new art room, and we're going to expand the cafeteria as well. So I'll have more STEM construction updates for you. It's going to be exciting, it's going to be revolutionary, and we're looking forward to it. Hey, be strong, be courageous, be a marauder.